We're here today with Graham Day from Swiftpos. What's new at Swiftpos?
Some of the things that we've been working on recently is centres around the voucher feature within the software. These vouchers are what's printed out at the point of sale, so it's I guess a post transaction feature, so that you walk away with a voucher in your hand. We've done loyalty for many years, but what we see with vouchers is that it is like a loyalty system that catches all your customers, or can catch all your customers, not just the ones that have chosen to join your loyalty system. It evolves mainly around marketing. The people at head office can, or the back office system can create full graphical vouchers, so you're not limited to just a boring text and a barcode on a voucher. We have full graphics capability.
How do you differentiate yourself from other POS providers?
We've had a slightly different view of the market from a lot of POS systems. We've always been dealing, for the last 17 years, been dealing with multi-venue sites or larger franchise chains, where the issues that they're faced with compared to a small cafe or standalone business means that they have to have very powerful reporting tools in the back office, so that they can compare stores, compare franchisees, also very powerful auditing capabilities. We support multiple languages, so we have franchise chains internationally, so if they're in Chinese or Hindi. We have sites in Europe and Dubai where they're using multiple languages. Even within Australia, we have the support of multiple languages for Chinese restaurants and things like that, where it will print in multiple languages. They're features you just don't see in some of the older products. Plus, I think being based on a Microsoft SQL Server platform, we also have a reseller network around Australia and New Zealand of some 40 resellers. So that means that our customers can deal with someone locally, whether it be in Darwin, Cairns, Townsville, or Christchurch or Wellington in New Zealand. There's someone there that they can deal with, that understands how the system should work for them.
Tell us a bit more about your advertising displays and your menu boards.
So with our menu boards, they're totally, you can customise the layout to suit your particular requirements. So where you may have advertising, a mix of a menu with some advertising on the screen, you can customise the layout of that. Also show additional pricing. You may have a normal price and a member's price perhaps. All of that is available in the design. So when it's a franchise situation or a multi-store environment, it's the head office that manages the look, the layout, the graphics, the whole presentation of the screen. At a store level, in the case of a franchise, the franchisees are able to change a price at their point of sale, and that will reflect on the menu board immediately. So the franchisees have the ability to manage pricing, manage perhaps specials of the day, but the product itself, or the layout or the look of the menu board is managed by head office. So that's the way our franchises like to do things. Also within that we have a scheduler, so a very powerful scheduler, so that you can have a breakfast menu, a lunch menu, a dinner menu, outside of times when in some areas where they're not serving food, they're just serving drinks. That can switch back to advertising on the menu boards. We also have an integrated call system, so in the case of coffee shops, when your coffees are bumped off the screen, your order number will display on the menu board, so that that keeps the focus of the customers focusing on your menu boards to see when their coffee's ready, and that's a feature that's built in.
Tell us a bit more about your kiosks and your queue busting technology.
By using technology, we can use freestanding order kiosks, so that if there is a queue, if they're regulars, they can go up and put their order directly into their order kiosk, and there's either pay for it there. You know, the advantage of kiosks is you get quick service, and then you can get what you want to order, and I don't think any stores like to see a big queue of people waiting to be served, because people then walk off somewhere else. It will eventually get to the stage where people will be ordering as well on their handheld phones. You can even schedule orders so that this is what I want to order. That order can be picked up I want to pick that order up at 5 minutes past 12. All of those features are available in the software. It's all labour-saving devices, which is cost-saving devices that we're using in this industry, and I guess the same with queue busting. It's simply trying to reduce the length of that queue by getting people's orders in quickly, and then the focus then is just on the preparation of the food.
Graham Day, thanks for your time today with QSR Media.
Thank you.